Is the entire supply at jeopardy, even though Shiba Inu is sweeping the cryptocurrency world? Are the $1 price forecasts accurate? They have begun to circulate once more. There is a lot of activity in the market, with political leaders and large institutions participating. Everything is changing, but what exactly am I referring to? Let me clarify. Notice, Shiba Inus are once again in the news, and this time it's not just hype. Imagine that the last 24 hours have seen comparatively little action overall, despite a recent spike in the price of Shiba Inus. One action, however, sticks out. Wintermute, a significant market participant, chose to remove an incredible 74 billion Shiba Inu from Robinhood, one of the leading brokers in the United States. That is the equivalent of moving Shiba Inus, valued at more than $1 million. The tokens were moved between other market maker addresses, suggesting that there was more going on behind the scenes than just one enormous withdrawal. If we look more closely, we can observe that these tokens passed through exchanges like OKX and Binance. Currently, there are about 25 billion Shiba Inus, or about $36,800, at Wintermute's addresses. This could initially appear to be a bullish action because a significant withdrawal typically indicates high confidence. However, this isn't necessarily an indication of an upcoming rally. Rather, it's the standard activity of a market maker. The price of Shiba Inu has not been steady as Wintermute transferred billions of Shiba Inu tokens across centralized exchanges. It has actually been very bullish. Shiba Inu has increased by more than 10.5% since the beginning of the week, which is the highest level since the end of July. It's still unclear what the price of Shiba Inus will do next. However, it is obvious that the Shiba Inu chart will be impacted by such significant movements, and Shiba Inu is now facing a much bigger task. As if things weren't already intense, the 26-day exponential moving average, EMA, a pivotal point, is drawing near for the token. This level is a significant obstacle, since it has the potential to start a huge conflict with 500 trillion Shiba Inus. This might be a sea change for Shiba Inus, according to research from Intel The Block. A bullish reversal could occur if it is able to overcome this obstacle. But if you don't, the price can drop significantly. After a lengthy decline, the price of Shiba Inus is currently rising and showing some signs of recovery. Nevertheless, the 26 EMA is a strong resistance level that could stop this upward trend. A startling 500 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are linked to this price level, according to the data, suggesting that many investors may be prepared to sell if the price approaches or just surpasses this barrier. The significance of this event is highlighted by the fact that this constitutes a sizable fraction of the total supply, which is approximately 590 trillion tokens in the Shiba Inu market. After the 26 EMA, a crucial price level is the next significant obstacle for Shiba Inu. This level will be critical if Shiba Inu can breach the EMA and continue to rise. However, Shiba Inu may try lower support levels if it is unable to break through the EMA. If the price declines, pressure may be applied to these support points. Many addresses are currently holding Shiba Inu at a loss due to strong selling pressure. Without further buying support, this makes it considerably more difficult for Shiba Inu to break through the EMA. There may be an impending price reversal. Shytoshi Kusama has finally spoken out under all of these market difficulties. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, recently posted an important announcement on Twitter. In 2023, the genesis of the Shiba State, a seminal text written by Shytoshi Kusama himself, published its 22 guiding principles. The core principles and culture of the Shiba Inu project are described in Genesis of the Shiba State. It embodies the fundamental values of the Shiba Inu community, placing a strong emphasis on decentralization, community-driven growth, and creative financial solutions. These guidelines demonstrate the moral underpinnings of Shiba Inu civilization, which are based on ideals like fairness, harmony, and respect for one another. They act as the community's compass, encouraging harmony and collaboration among Shiba Inus. Important tenets include stewardship, which entails caring for community resources, and transparency, which guarantees honesty and integrity. Accountability is also essential, encouraging members to take ownership of their contributions and actions. Lucy expressly said that her primary priorities are stewardship and transparency. In order to protect each member and respect their privacy, other principles like security and privacy protection are equally crucial. These values provide a comforting reminder of what the Shiba Inu project is all about in a volatile environment. They serve as a compass, encouraging accountability, stewardship, and openness. Re-examining these principles may encourage a revitalized sense of community commitment and confidence in light of the current market instability and strain on Shiba Inus. As the community works through these difficult times, transparency and stewardship, which Lucy particularly mentioned, are crucial to ensure that the project stays loyal to its core principles while looking to the future. The price of Shiba Inu, which recently surged on the daily chart, is rising thanks to the mild rebound of the overall market. Market observers and analysts have taken notice of this remarkable achievement and are now projecting positive futures for the cryptocurrency with a dog motive. Leading cryptocurrency exchange Coin made news this week with an incredible forecast. According to their projection, the price of Shiba Inus might increase by an astounding 7 million% to $1. The crypto world was rocked by Coin's Shiba Inu forecast. Such a leap appears very unachievable given the enormous amount of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, 590 trillion. Shiba Inu would have to eliminate the 4 zeros that are already after its decimal in order to reach $1, which could seem a bit unrealistic. Fortunately, based on our observations, Shiba Inus have been improving for a few days now, and this improvement isn't occurring suddenly. BlackRock and Fidelity now own more than 500,000 bitcoins, valued at an astounding $32 billion, according to a recent tweet. The crypto world has been rocked by this disclosure, which highlights a notable increase in institutional confidence. The tweet that only posed the question, "BlackRock is buying, are you?" has sparked a great deal of excitement and intrigue. The participation of these significant financial firms indicates that institutional investors are finding the cryptocurrency market more and more alluring. Shiba Inu and other traditional financial behemoths' support for cryptocurrencies is a clear indication of the industry's increasing legitimacy and acceptance, which may be a factor in the current spike in prices. And that's not all. In addition to this excitement, news about cryptocurrency has been all over the political scene. The marketing lead for Shiba Inu, Lucy, recently posted an update on X that included a noteworthy political moment. After supporting Donald Trump, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. went on stage with them. They both support Bitcoin. Fantastic time for cryptocurrency. The growing acceptance and support for Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency sector is further demonstrated by this endorsement from well-known political personalities. Important political leaders supporting Bitcoin not only raises its profile, but also strengthens its credibility. These endorsements have the power to change public perception and draw in fresh capital, which would increase institutional players' already increasing interest. A larger wave of confidence and optimism in the cryptocurrency market may be being fueled by this combination of institutional investment and political backing. All things considered, these advancements show that cryptocurrencies are becoming more widely accepted. High-profile political endorsements and substantial institutional purchases are combining to create a favorable atmosphere and market momentum for Shiba Inus. This implies that Shiba Inu may profit from the same surge of hope that the cryptocurrency sector as a whole experiences as it grows stronger and more reputable. Shiba Inu prices may rise as a result of increasing buying pressure brought on by the heightened market demand. Put another way, Shiba Inu may benefit from favorable conditions brought about by the positive trends affecting the larger market, which might help it acquire traction and possibly increase in value. However, what do you think about that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos displayed on the screen if you're interested in learning more. Consequently, this concludes the video. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment section and like the video if you liked it. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this.